Hey, Charlotte from Octolens here. We just released webhooks a couple days ago, so I thought I'd show you where to find them in the app and how to create one so you can start connecting Octolens to any other tool that you'd like, essentially. So from the feed, all you have to do is go to your notifications page. This is also where you'd set up your email and Slack notifications. We've put webhooks there as well. I've already created some webhooks, and you can too by clicking set up a new webhook, add in the webhook URL, click create, and then you can customize for when you want it to fire. So maybe you only want it for high relevance mentions of your brand name on Twitter or LinkedIn. You can decide that. And then you can test the webhook and start getting that mention in the places you'd like it. Especially if you use automation tools like Zapier, N8N, the options are really endless. So for example, we don't support Discord yet, but if you want a message of a high relevance mention in Discord, you can do that now, or you can have a CRM entry be made. There's a lot you can do, and we'll definitely be producing content around that soon. I'd love to hear your feedback, and I'm excited to see all the different workflows you'll build on top of Octolens. Bye!